Moving on to the back, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open, and we're creating our second guideline. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way to attack that initial guideline and remove it completely. Now that we're done erasing that initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We are right on top of the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you detail as much as possible. We're also going to use this same guard and the lever to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Remember, we are on the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you spend more time here. Since we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. We're then going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Switching over to the 1.5 guard, we're going to attack this line and try to erase it completely. Sometimes there's still a faint line, so switching over to your one guard all the way open will definitely help you. Now we're moving on to our clipper over comb method, and we're going to debulk the calic area. We want to leave as much weight as possible, so I'm making sure I sculpt the hair instead of going in with the guard. Before we use our shears, we're going to make sure we saturate the hair as much as possible so we can get the true length of the hair follicle. Now that the hair is nice and saturated, we're going to make sure we make our guideline as even as possible through the middle and work our way to the sides. When using your shears, you want to pick up the hair with your comb, feed it into your hands, and hold it as tight as possible while cutting it with your shears. Shear work near the sides and calic area is very important, because if not, then the hair will hang over. Before we line him up, we're gonna comb down all his baby hairs and then debulk them with the one guard all the way open. We're also using our clipper of a comb to debulk and make the fade as smooth as possible. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment on my subscriber count down below, and I'm 100% gonna reply to it. Now that we're done debulking the hairline, we're gonna go back to the side fade and detail as much as possible. Now that we're done detailing with our clipper of a comb, we can move back into the hairline and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. You want to make sure not to press too hard because you could cut them with the teeth of the trimmer. Also, you want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to move and then you won't line them up properly. You also want to keep the corners and vertical bars as natural as possible, because if not, it won't look properly.